Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use sort by function with filter. So if you want to learn how to use sort by function with filter, this video will show you how to do it. Here this is the table I have created. Okay, now I want to sort these marks with or sort this table in ascending order, and also want to include only the student who has above 60. So I have to use sort by function with filter. So how to do it? Just click on the cell where you want to use this sort by or sort in ascending order. Then you have to type sort by, then filter. Okay, bracket open, then filter, then again bracket open. Then you have to choose both, means this column B and C column or whole table. Okay, comma, again this mark table. Now we want more than 60, so greater than 60, bracket close, again comma. Now again you have to just choose, again you have to type just filter. Okay, bracket open, choose this table, comma, again choose this table. Now more than 60, okay, bracket close, comma. Now I want it arranged in ascending order, so just click on 1, bracket close. Okay, so you will see like this you can use sort by function with filter. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.